I decided to try out the Hammerhead 2-inch shower head. They say this shower head provides 2.5 gallons per minute. As for these 3-inch shower heads, they're 1.8 gallons per minute. Comes with warranty, a little bit of Teflon, and instructions. We don't need that. Wow. Well, I can tell you this is heavy duty. Has a washer on the inside, but we'll still put Teflon. They say this is all metal. I believe them. This is very heavy duty. As for these, plastic. Here's how you adjust the pressure. You can see that. It goes in and out. Oh yeah, that'll smack the dirt off of you.